Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Windows PC. And in this video, I will show you on how to scan your Windows PC for viruses without any stress. Let me show you how. The very first thing you want to do is to come down below right here on your Windows 11 PC. Right click on it. Go ahead and click on Taskbar Settings. The next thing you want to do is to scroll down right here and then navigate to Other System Tray icons. Click on it. The next thing you want to do is to scroll down right here and make sure you look for Windows Security Notification icon. Go ahead and turn it on. Once you turn it on, come down below right here. You have Windows Security Action Recommended. Right click on it. Then go ahead and click on Run Quick Scan. Click on that. And this is going to pump up right here. Allow this scan to run completely for any threat protection, for any current threats you might have in your Windows PC. Once everything runs completely, your PC is going to be more secure, and all apps you have on your Windows PC is going to be free from virus. It's that simple. For more tutorial, tips and tricks on how best to use your Windows PC, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Peace.